Hi, my name's Allison, and I'm recently one of the newest members of the Australian Online Entrepreneurs community. I'm joining this community because of one reason and one reason only: my beautiful brand new daughter, Malia, who is currently sleeping right now and is giving mum some time to actually make this video and to go and have a look at some of Neil-Asher's awesome videos on how to create your own products and sell them on Amazon. As you can tell, I'm still currently in my pajamas and I've got a tea in my hand because these are some of the things that I now enjoy in my life in comparison to, let's say, 2 months ago, where I used to be able to do things on my own. The main reason for myself as to why I want to continue embarking on this adventure is because I want to be staying at home with my children as much as possible. Being a teacher has been a fantastic occupation of mine for the past 6 years, but I've realized that that doesn't give me the opportunity to be at home and teach my children about the world as much as what it could be if I was at home selling stuff online. And that's what really motivated me to have a look and see what was out there that was really going to support me. And I definitely can agree that the Australian Online Entrepreneurs and Neil creating this company has been absolutely fantastic. I'm someone who doesn't have a lot of knowledge when it comes to businesses or when it comes to understanding how to choose products or the requirements that you need. But I feel like this process has been very step by step, and I'm a person who likes things done in order. So I feel like Neil definitely understands the type of learning person that I am. And therefore it's been fantastic. And something else that I really like is that you can take it as a step-by-step process and you can watch as little or as much as you need to in a day. And obviously for me, I don't get a lot of time to myself anymore. So whenever I get the opportunity to watch a video, I definitely jump on and I get to see what Neil is explaining. So taking that next step. And then I guess the next big thing for me is being able to have that discussion with my husband afterwards as well, with him having that accounting mindset. He completely understands what's going on, and it gives me the opportunity to finally take that next step and understand it on my own as well. So then I can improve my knowledge in another area. So I guess what really helped me to begin with was looking at Neil's ebook. And I would highly suggest that you download that free ebook, and that link will be at the end of this video. So that's just a little bit about me and as to why I have joined. And I really hope that you would like to join the Australian Online Entrepreneurs as well. And hopefully you get to spend some extra time at home enjoying things that you love, whether it would be your child, which is my main solid reason, or for whatever reason it is. I hope you get to embark on an adventure like I am going to right now. Thank you, Neil. Thank you, everyone, for your help so far. And I can't wait to continue this amazing adventure with you. Bye.